Hey all. Hey all, welcome back to XLB. XLB? Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today I'm going to show you how to make my very first gin cocktail that I ever mixed up, the Bramble. The Bramble was created by Dick Bradsell. Dick Bradsell was very crucial to the craft cocktail movement in London not that long ago. When he made the Bramble, it instantly became a modern classic, and it's very popular throughout the world and in the United States. So I'm going to mix it up two different ways. Here at SLB, I mix it up a very specific way, but first I'm going to show you how to mix it up the specific way as Dick Bradsell would in London. But before we get started, do me a favor, if you would please, hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, reach over and hit that notification bell, and that way you won't miss a single episode of the show. Also, please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's show or any other recommendations you might have for the future. All right, what we're going to start with here is a half ounce of simple syrup, just a 1-to-1 ratio. Once we put in the simple syrup, I'm going to pour in 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. The recipe calls for a London dry gin. I'm going to be using Ford's. You can use the London dry gin of your choice. That's pretty full. All right, 2 full ounces. Now, what I'm going to do now is get a little ice in the tin, not a lot, just a little bit. Give it a quick shake. All right, that's about enough. All I wanted to do there is emulsify the ingredients and aerate the lemon juice a little bit, because in Dick Bradsell's original recipe, he would pour this into a rocks glass filled with crushed ice. Okay, once we've done that, I want to fill up the glass a little bit more with crushed ice. Get a nice little mound there. I'm going to take a half ounce of creme de mure. Now, creme de mure is a blackberry liqueur, and what he would do, Mr. Bradsell would take this creme de mure and just float it on top of the cocktail, just like that. We're going to garnish that with a little bit of a lemon wedge, and 1 blackberry. Straw in there, and that's it. That would be Dick Bradsell's Bramble cocktail. Very good. I'm going to mix this up now how we would do it here at SLB. Not to say that I'm better or that I'm right, but this is just the way I do it, and this is the way I prefer it. All the ingredients are exactly the same. That's not going to change. So I'm going to put in a half ounce, again, simple syrup. 3/4 ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 ounces of our London dry gin, and what I do differently is I put my half ounce of creme de mure, my blackberry liqueur, right in the tin. So I have all of the ingredients of the Bramble cocktail right in the tin. Get some ice and we're going to give that a shake. All right. I have a cocktail coupe ready to go. What I want to do is just pour my garnish, I have 3 blackberries on the garnish pin, and we just set it right there. That's how we mix up the Bramble cocktail here at the SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I will say, if you have anybody that, a friend of yours or family that say, oh, I don't like gin. I can't stand gin. I hear that all the time. I hear that all the time from people that come down here to the Basement Bourbon Bar, and I always mix them up the Bramble because it is extremely tasty. You get the blackberry, you get the lemon juice, you get a little bit of the big botanicals of the gin, but everything is balanced so well in this cocktail that it just tastes great. Now, for me personally, I would prefer to drink it like this with the coupe because all of my ingredients are emulsified together, all of them are mixed together, and when you take a sip, you get everything on every single sip that you take of the cocktail. With this particular cocktail here, very good, but yet as you drink this, you're going to get some that's a little bit more lemon juice forward, you get a little bit more blackberry flavor. So in my opinion, a lot of the flavors as you drink this cocktail down are going to vary. And that's why I prefer to mix it this way. Please try it at home. Try to give it a try both ways and let me know what you think. Certainly appreciate you watching today. Thank you so much. You can find us on Facebook, SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also find us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. Whatever you do, we please ask you to drink responsibly.